Good evening, friends. Welcome to 122nd video on misconceptions in physics. My name is Ratankar Rao, and I'm the host for this program. And a misconception is about the application of concepts in a wrong or an incorrect context, and thereby students generally make a mistake. So this is all about misconceptions in physics. And so far, around 121 videos have been done. So this is a 122nd video, and now without wasting much of my time, let us continue with today's video. Okay. Now the question that I had got here is about two stationary objects of mass. Now currently we are working on comparing accelerations or comparing problems. Two stationary objects of mass 1 kg and 2 kg are connected by a thread and suspended from a spring. So you have 1 kg and a 2 kg mass over here connected by a spring. Immediately after what are the magnitudes of the accelerations of the object in terms of the acceleration due to gravity? That's the question. So towards it, what the student did was that when you say, I cut this thread over here, just a moment, my pen is not able to write. Okay. So when I cut this thread here, this 2 kg will experience a free fall. As a result of it, its acceleration due to gravity would be g. Okay. So therefore, the first part of the problem is correct. And then he also says that, so let me write down 2 kg object. Where is this? 2 kg experiences free fall, and hence the acceleration of the 2 kg object is g. So this part is correct. Nothing wrong. Okay, this part is correct. While in the absence of 2 kg object, 1 kg object is pulled up with an acceleration g. So when you miss this one here, now the total force that will be acted upon on the spring would just be 1 kg. Here it will be only 1 kg. And as a result of it, the restoring force over here will be 1 kg multiplied by, the restoring force here would be equal to kx. Restoring force would be equal to kx by Hooke's law, which would also be equal to m into a by Newton's second law, and which would also be equal to 1 into g, which is m into g. Okay. So therefore, he just said that a is equal to g. This is what should happen. Now, this part is a misconception. This is incorrect. The first part is always correct. Second part is incorrect. Now, why is this incorrect? Now, if you understand this clearly, now we can see that, see, when you cut the thread, before you cut the thread, what was the total force acting on the 1 kg object? So this 1 kg object was being pulled downwards by 2 times g, right? 2 times g, which is m into g. This weight was also acting here, which is 2 times g. And the 1 kg object's weight was also acting here, which means total weight over here was seen to be 3 times g. So if I draw this object, total weight over here was seen to be 3 times g. The moment you cut here, do you think that the force that was acting here became all of a sudden 1g? No, right? The 3g still is existing. Okay, so as a result of it, when the 3g was existing, the spring was connected like this. The object was in equilibrium. So the restoring force F was just equal to 3g only. The moment this is cut, this object goes down. But it doesn't mean that the spring should understand that the object has been cut and I should also reduce my force. What does the spring do? Spring says, okay, see, I've already been pulled. I'm going to restore you and I'm going to pull you with the equivalent force, so as to restore you into equilibrium. But when this part has been cut, then suddenly this object of 1 kg mass springs back upwards. It just immediately moves upwards. Now the question is, what is the acceleration? So what we should do is, we should say the restoring force F should now be equal to m into a, which should now be equal to, what was the force here? 3 times g. 3 times g. Now what is m here? 1 kg object. 1 kg object multiplied by a is equal to 3 times g, or a should be equal to 3 times g. Thus, the 2 kg object, what are the accelerations of 1 kg and 2 kg object? 1 kg object will experience an acceleration equal to 3g, while the 2 kg object will experience an acceleration equal to g. Right? So this is the right answer. Okay, I think I have explained the gist of it. And now, let me stop here. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. This would really help me out in doing more number of problems. As appreciation, likes, subscriptions would really appreciate me. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. Thank you.